Alright, here's our 2007 Honda Pilot EXL. The other day it was just making a weird noise over here on the left front side. Just kind of started out a little bit and then kind of got worse and worse, and lo and behold, look at that rotor right there. I don't know if you can see it here. Yep, right there. Nice and not good. So it kind of went all the way around. Scarred it pretty bad. If you come and look here at the brake pad, it is essentially non-existent. So that was kind of my bad not to notice that. We never heard any weird noises up until just the other day. So obviously we're gonna need a new rotor. I don't know if we want to even try to resurface that, but maybe I'll ask the guys at the shop, see what they think. So what you're gonna need for this is you get a few bolts on the back. So that right there, it's gonna be a 12. You got the big one right over here, it's gonna be a 17. There's one on the bottom where this connects into right down there. That's another 12 millimeter there as well. So all right, I'll get this undone here and we'll take a closer look at things. All right, as you can see, the brake pad here just got worn out, and that's where it rubbed right there against the back plating of it. So it just scarred it really good all along there. The other one did pretty good, surprisingly. Oh, still got a little bit of life in that one. So, well, we'll go off to good old O'Reilly's and see if we can get ourselves a new one. And I'll probably check everything else, the other ones as well. All right, so we got our new rotor. Unfortunately, at O'Reilly's gave me the rear, so I had to go back and get the front one. So we should be golden now. Got some brake select, best brake ceramics here. Got them ready to go, so we'll put them on and we'll see how they look. All right, we got the rotor back on, got the pads on installed as well. And remember, don't forget to use the little tool right there. So you have to put the piston back to the original level, because if not, you're not going to be able to get the piston on the rotors, obviously. So make sure you can get that little tool. You can pick it up from anywhere for, you know, $5, $6, $7, or if you have something at home. It comes real in handy. Just make sure you can use one of the old brake pads to put it in the caliper, and then just push it back. So this is what you do. Just do this for all four, and you'll be good to go. Oh, I did mention as well in the first video, there's actually there's 2 of the 12 millimeter bolts, and then there's 2 of the 17 millimeter bolts in the back as well. So we can come in and just peek around here. So got one of the 17s are there, and just right below as well. And then the 2 12s are right there and right there as well. So all right, that's how you do a brake job.